Get ready to dive into a whole new era of two-wheel innovation. Today, we're showcasing 14 groundbreaking bicycle inventions that push cycling into the future. Insane upgrades, futuristic features, and smart tech you've probably never seen before. From advanced safety systems and ultra-compact designs to intelligent gadgets that transform every ride, these creations are changing the way we move. Number 14. Bike Bag Phone. Mount the Rock Bros. Phone mount bag features a durable EVA hardshell with a carbon fiber look, waterproof zippers, and shake-proof stability. Its sensitive TPU touchscreen lets you use GPS, answer calls, or play music without removing your phone. Fits devices up to 6.8 inches and includes room for essentials like keys, tools, and power banks. Price: $22.66. Number 13. Lumos Ultra. A next-gen smart helmet with integrated front and rear LEDs plus wireless turn signals controlled by a handlebar remote. Connect via smartphone to customize lighting, sync with other helmets, and track rides. With up to 10-hour battery life and CPSC certification, it's an ideal blend of safety and style. Price: $129.95. Number 12. Knog Blinder. 1300, delivering 1300 lumens with a road-focused beam, reaching 393 feet. This compact CNC machined light excels in nighttime performance. 6 modes, including Eco Flash with 120-hour runtime, give versatility, while USB-C charging, side visibility windows, and IP67 waterproofing make it dependable anywhere. Price: $109.99. Number 11. See.Sense ICON 3. A smart bike light with sensors that automatically adjust brightness based on ambient conditions. High-intensity LEDs offer exceptional visibility, while wireless connectivity lets you customize modes, track battery, and receive theft alerts via the app. Weather-resistant and aerodynamic, it's perfect for commuters and road cyclists. Price: $96.09. Number 10. Proviz Reflect 360 Plus Jacket. The world's first jacket with a fully reflective shell, made from millions of glass beads for unmatched nighttime visibility, while appearing sleek grey by day. It's fully waterproof with 5,000mm fabric, storm zips, and taped seams. Breathable vents, a fleece-lined collar, and adjustable fit make it practical and comfortable. CEN2. 0471 certified and weighing about 500 grams. It costs $149.99. Number 9. Auxbeam Tiny Bike Pump. This ultra-compact pump features a powerful brushless motor that inflates a 700 by 23 C tire to 80 psi in just 40 seconds. With a digital gauge and automatic shutoff, accuracy is guaranteed. Support for both Presta and Schrader valves makes it versatile, while aviation-grade construction ensures durability and a 10,000-hour motor lifespan. Weighing only 108 grams, it's incredibly portable. Price: $59.99. Number 8. Handlebar Bike Mirror. The Hafni HF MR095 mirror uses HD glass and a convex wide-angle lens for crystal clear, anti-glare visibility. Made from tough nylon, it's durable and resistant to scratches. Its 360-degree adjustment ensures perfect positioning, fitting 21 to 26mm flat and cruiser bars. EU reach and California prop. 65 compliant, it's a reliable safety upgrade for $22.99. Number 7. Lezyne Laser Drive. This innovative rear light projects 2 bright red laser lines onto the road to create your own virtual bike lane, hugely enhancing visibility. Along with 4 powerful LEDs delivering up to 250 lumens, it offers 9 modes including daytime flash. The lightweight IPX7 waterproof body, 180-degree visibility, and 17.5-hour max runtime make it an exceptional safety tool. Price: $64.99. Number 6. SOOCOO. S50 Plus camera record every moment with dual 1080p front and rear cameras, or switch to 4K mode for ultra-sharp visuals. The 170-degree wide-angle lens delivers immersive footage. Its 2,400 mAh battery supports up to 4 hours of continuous shooting, and its IP66 waterproof rating ensures performance in tough conditions. With Wi-Fi app control, you can view, adjust, and download your clips instantly. A reliable, stylish recording companion for cyclists. Number 5. Extrawheel Bike Trailer Mate. The Extrawheel Mate with classic premium 100L bags is the ultimate hauling system for adventurers. Its single-wheel trailer ensures unmatched balance on city streets or off-road trails. With a full-size interchangeable wheel, it keeps you moving even after a bike wheel failure. It's the only trailer compatible with both standard and electric fat bikes. The 100L Cordura bags are waterproof, highly durable, and built with taped seams and triple click-fix mounts. Made in Poland with a 5-year warranty, this is a rugged, dependable companion. Number 4. Redcomets USB Rechargeable Handlebar Extender. A handlebar extender and 10,000 mAh power bank in one. Supporting 22.5 watt PD fast charging, it boosts an iPhone to 66% in 30 minutes. Ideal for phones, lights, or cameras on long rides. Made from IP65 sealed aluminum alloy with a sandblasted finish, it's durable, waterproof, and corrosion resistant. Dual silicone straps ensure a scratch-free, secure fit. Weighing only 257 grams, it's compact, practical, and clearly displays battery percentage. Number 3. VabsRider. The VabsRider by Ataraxy BSC is the world's first virtual axis bicycle seat, engineered to revolutionize comfort. Its dual seat system allows independent leg movement aligned with your hip joints, shifting pressure from your sit bones to your femurs, dramatically reducing discomfort on long rides. Built with aluminum steel rails, high-density foam, and water-resistant synthetic leather, it weighs 2.3 kilograms and installs via bolt-on clamp. Compatible with 27.2mm, 30.9mm, and 31.6mm seat posts, it's perfect for road bikes, e-bikes, touring, and fitness cycles. Includes a 12-month warranty and lifetime rail coverage. Number 2. Bike Alarm. The WSD Cam 113 decibels. Bike Alarm delivers reliable, multi-vehicle protection using a smart vibration motion sensor with 7 sensitivity levels and 3 volume settings. With its IP55 waterproof rating, it works flawlessly in harsh weather. The included remote operates up to 66 feet away, letting you arm, disarm, or adjust settings quickly. Plus, the vehicle locate function uses 3 alarm tones to help you find your bike in crowded areas. Durable, efficient, and affordable, it's a top-tier theft deterrent for just $18.98. Number 1. Kamingo E-bike Kit. Turn any standard bike into a powerful electric machine, delivering up to 750 watts peak power in just 10 seconds. Enjoy up to 55 miles, 90 kilometers of range, with an installation process so easy you won't even need tools. Snap it on or off instantly after a simple 3-minute setup. Choose from 3 ride modes: full electric cruise, pedal assist, or natural feel standby. Weighing just 2.3 kilograms, it blends seamlessly with your bike like a slim water bottle. Safety features include EV-grade cells, water resistance, PAT stability, and regenerative braking. Quiet performance, magnetic fast charging, and power bank functionality make this one seriously futuristic upgrade. Price: $1,789,544. Thanks for watching our countdown of 14 incredible bicycle inventions you haven't seen yet. If you loved these amazing upgrades, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more breakthroughs in tech and innovation. Tell us which invention impressed you the most. We always enjoy reading your comments. Until next time, ride safe and stay inspired.